Hey guys, what's up? Nasa car ako ngayon at naisipan ko lang na i-film to. Gumawa lang ng content. It's August 21, 2026 right now. Ayan. I don't know if kita. I'm sorry. I'm just using my phone for this recording. Basically, dream ko sana talaga magkaroon ng magandang, camera. But for now, I am using what I have right now. And, nakakuha naman, nakapagpatuturo naman ako ng YouTube automation and all. Naisipan ko lang mag-film because I want to see my life 5 years from now, 10 years from now, doing content creation. At sino na ba ako? Maybe na-build ko na. Maybe meron na akong isang AI powered agency which is I'm building right now. Maybe marami na akong natulungan na kumita, mag-start ng YouTube automation channel nila. And nasa Cavite ako ngayon. And sobrang ganda lang ng place dito. Napag-isipan ko just to, mag-film lang din. And I'm so happy right now. I'm so grateful. And, I just want to share what I am building right now. I'm building an AI-powered agency called Otoma. Tinatawag itong former pangalan GDMC. Yung GDMC is, yun yung pinakaunang company ko na nag-build ako ng tawag ito mga tao, clients. GDMC kasi tinawag ko siyang Glenn Digital Media Company. So, kumbaga, mag-start pa lang. I'm 21 years old right now. I was starting 16. 16 pa lang ako. Nag-live promoter na ako. Live promotion, paano dumami subscribers, ganun, paano makumpleto yung watch hours, I have a lot of experience talaga sa YouTube. And then, I was so happy na up until now, nakaka-adapt tayo sa sistema. Grabe, sobrang bilis ng takbo ng panahon. And I am so grateful lang na nasa sasakyan na ako ngayon. I'm driving my own car at the same time at the age of 21 years old. Noon, commute lang tayo, ganyan. And, you know, I have, may malaki pa talaga akong pangarap. Makabili ng sports car, makabili ng sariling bahay because right now, currently, I am renting. Nagre-rent ako dito. Bumukod na ako sa family ko just to prove myself being independent and at the same time kung ano pa kaya kong gawin. To build my character. At the same time, meet new people. And tomorrow is meron akong event tomorrow, Awakening. I'm so excited kasi ilang months din na hindi ako nakapag-usap ng maraming tao, communications. I'm so excited. I'm so excited kung how it works, paano ba itong mangyayari. Ang hirap mag-build ng tamang sistema. Ang hirap, mahirap siya but when you do it, nakaka-enjoy din. At the same time, marami kang matutunan. And, to be honest, right now, I'm really still figuring it out because I already have my goals. Sobrang laki ng goals ko, guys. Gusto kong maging, financially free. Like to the point, pag gusto ko ganito, nakukuha ko na, ganyan. Kasi right now, I'm still beating my habit. Binibit ko yung habit ko when it comes on financial, ganun. Gusto ko makabuild ng isa sa pinakamalaking kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas. Magkaroon ng AI-powered system, AI automation system that, a system that will run for your channels, for your social media accounts, even you're not showing, faceless channel. And right now, I keep building system, nagbi-build ako ng team and something na mag-i-impact talaga sa ibang tao. And at the same time, para marami pa rin akong kailangan ayusin sa sarili ko. Ngayon lang ako nakabalik sa 10k step walking eh. I'm trying to do my best na makapag 10k step talaga ako, and right now sinisimulan ko na din siya. And kailangan ko lang talaga ayusin yung sarili ko, discipline, consistency, my finances, leadership, my character, and also my focus. Yun talaga yung kalaban ko, focus. And these days, most of my time goes into building my business, managing clients, creating content, learning AI automations, and trying to build a better system that will help me in the future and that will help people to give value. Yun talaga yung goal ko talaga. Mabawasan yung daily work natin, and at the same time, hindi naman tayo magpapakontrol ng AI eh. We control them to do the works kasi nasa tao pa rin yun. The ideas itself and how it works na yung mga tasks na yun. Maybe right now, this video doesn't look very special. ordinary lang, but I think that's exactly what I really want to record. An ordinary raw videos na makikita ko yung sarili ko 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now na, oy, ito si Glenn, ito yung ginagawa ni Glenn, ganun. And because one day baka ma-miss ko itong version ko. And yung version ko na nangangarap pa lang, yung version ko that I'm building, yung version ko na naghahanap ng tamang directions, creating system. And that's why binibuild ko siya ngayon. And currently nga, I'm so happy I've built AI employees, mas nakilala ko. I mean, ChatGPT is hindi lang sa akin parang part of my life na din siya, part of my business. If you will check the ChatGPT, pag tinignan mo lang siya, isang AI lang na tumutulong with the works. But, come to think of it, napapagalaw ko sila. I've built an AI employees that, sobrang galing lang. I mean, I'm so proud of myself at the age of 21 right now. And guys, by the end of this year, ang goal ko talaga is number one, maging consistent. Content creation. Maging consistent ako sa content creation. Number two is, build people, build my characters, build my habit. Alam mo yung parang bagay na hindi pa tapos, i-build na naman. Yung parang I keep building system. So, anong nangyayari sa akin, gagawa ako ng ganito, tapos after nyan, hindi pa tapos yan, gagawa ulit ako. So, I'm trying to ginagawan ko ng best talaga na to discipline, to build habits sa self ko, because that's really matter. And alam ko dyan ako makakakuha ng magandang result if I will do it very consistently, guys. So I'm challenging myself to document, to post, post mga ganitong videos, raw videos, kasi alam ko sooner mamimiss ko talaga yung version ko ngayon. I really need to work with myself, and it's nice to feel that way then at the same time, kasi it will give you motivation to do more, to love yourself, and just to keep building. Kasi yung kalaban lang talaga natin dito, sarili natin Glenn 1 versus Glenn 2 tayo dito So, ngayon, yung wallpaper ko, I'm building myself, wala pa tayong muscle, dito sa version 2 natin, may muscle na tayo dito with my family, being financial stable. At the same time, may abs na. May bilbil pa ngayon, pero may abs na. And I believe kayang-kaya yan. I believe makukuha natin yan. Consistency and the execution is up. Dito din, educator, magtuturo ng YouTube automation. And I'm planning to build multiple YouTube channels for all my expenses. Ganon, guys. Kasi, oo, kumikita tayo, but the discipline yun yung kalaban mo After mo kumita, what's next? It's all about discipline, habits, your habits, and the consistency. And that's what I am working right now. To be honest, kumikita ako ng 6 digit, but I cannot feel it because the discipline sa sarili ko and the habit na ginagawa ko is mali. So, I need to improve that. I need to improve myself. Recently lang, guys, na-learn ko din na always giving your best. Like, bayaran ka man ng tao na yan or hindi, just give your best. And parang na-realize ko din, kasi noon when I was starting 16 years old, iniisip ko kahit, promote lang ako ng mga YouTube channels, even though alam ko na hindi naman ako babayaran yan. But, ang sukli sa akin, nagti-20k per day ako. Pag nag-livestream ako, nakapag 20k agad ako. Ganyan, naka 10k agad ako. So, I'm just giving value, and na-stop kasi siya because of, lumaki ang ulo ko noon, nung kumita ako, parang feel ko hindi mauubos yung pera, pero nauubos talaga yung pera. Saka hindi ko siya na-locate ng tama. Basically, hindi ko na-disiplina yung sarili ko ng tama. And yun yung nagiging lesson ko talaga ngayon. Sabi ko, now I'm rebuilding myself. I will try my best to discipline and build habit, build my character. So, being a leader, it's nice to learn something with yourself also. Experience is the best leader talaga. Hinumble ako ni God Ayan, kinuha sa akin lahat na pa-realize ako, shit, ang hirap. So, it's really nice na maging grateful tayo, to build our discipline, build our habits, be consistent, at kailangan you will always give your best. Like, sa lahat ng gagawin mo, give your best. I am very proud of myself right now, but I know mas mapaproud ako sa self ko. Nakita ko to 10 years from now, 5 years from now. I think 3 years from now, meron na akong 100 clients. Wow! Posible ba yun? Alam ko alam kong kaya ko I just need to fix something in order, the broken system. I think 3 years from now, yung Automa Agency AI-powered system, meron na akong mga founder sa loob, meron nang nagko-control sa system, meron akong 100 of clients, and I think Nakihit ko na yung agency ko earning, 10,000 consistently, $10,000 consistently to $100,000 consistently, Imagine 100 clients, 100 clients na matutulungan build their YouTube channel, businesses. And I think Mission, I think 3 years from now, nakapag-build na ako ng 1,000 students na matutulungan. Mas maganda nga pag 10,000 eh. But, I feel like hindi siya imposible as long as I always need to give my best to keep giving value. So, yun, in-imagine ko, maybe 3 years from now, nakatira na ako, hindi na ako nag-rent. Maybe 3 years from now, nasa condo na ako sa BGC. Wow! Baka nasa Makati na ako, baka nasa Taguig na ako, guys. 3 years from now, and maybe, tawag nito, 3 years from now, is may abs na ako. Woo! 21-year-old Glenn inside my car here in Cavite, building Otoma and Mission. First 1 million per month, first office, my first big team, moving to my dream place, helping my family, maparepair ko yung bahay doon sa amin, and to have my first major Tube Mission event with the students. Pangarap ko talaga mag-host sa mga event ko, sarili kong event na magtuturo. I am really happy for this and I am claiming, and it's August 21, 2026. This is who am I right now. I'm so proud of you, Glenn. Let's go! Woo!